Alright, Assalamualaikum. Okay, so today you will do ODL laboratory experiment. Okay, so make sure you have what we call laboratory manual edited version yang terbaru tu. So tolong keluarkan dan kita akan tengok. Okay, this is the front pages of laboratory manual general biochemistry MIC 180. Okay, when you open the contents, okay, there will be about 6 experiments from here. Okay, number 1 will be effects of beta amylase on starch, qualitative test for amino acids, test for protein. Number 4 will be calorimetry test for carbohydrates. Number 5 will be TLC or thin layer chromatography. And last one will be sublimation and acid value experiments. Okay. So today kita akan masuk dalam eksperimen nombor 1 ni. Please open page number 5. Okay. So there what we call introduction in here. So what is introduction? Actually is for good laboratory practices. Okay, or GLP for biochemistry laboratory. So, since kita tak buat benda tu, so awak boleh baca secara ringkas. Cara-cara penggunaan sebelum masuk ke dalam amal. Okay. Right, so there what we call a writing a laboratory report in here. So the purpose of laboratory report is to document findings and communicate their significance. Okay, so boleh baca situ dan dia ada juga kriteria untuk membuat ataupun they are what we call component of laboratory reports. Okay, number 1 will be titles, title of experiment, objectives, introduction, okay, material and methods, results. Okay, so this one lebih kepada kalau ODL awak kena buat expected result. Okay, discussion, conclusions, and reference. So reference at least 3 reference include in your each of your report. Okay, and please using APA 7 edition style. Okay, how do you write your references? Okay, we go for the laboratory number 1, effects of beta amylase on starch. Okay, so what is beta amylase? It's an enzyme, okay, which hydrolyze starch at the alpha 1,4 linkage to produce maltose. Okay, so maltose or maltase is a disaccharide, okay, which a glucose is linked to glucose in which causes a reducing group. Okay, so what's the meaning of reducing group? That's what we call available OH to bind or to do a bond. Okay, the reducing group will reduce DNSA reagent. Okay, so we use special reagent to detect yaitu DNSA reagents. So what DNSA reagent do? It will causing color changes from yellow to brown. Okay. The beta amylase starches reduction is to be studied by following a progress curve. Okay. So the method number 1, you have to mix the following reagent in a boiling tubes and incubate it at 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, what are material that you have to mix? Number 1 will be starch, 1%. You need about 4 ml of volume. Acetate buffer, 1.0 molar with a pH 5.0. Same volume is a 4 ml. And last one, top up with a distilled water for 5 ml. So this one is about 13 ml in 1 boiling tubes. You have to mix all these things in material. And then you have to put number 2, beta amylase in the separate tube. Also, you have to incubate in 30 degrees Celsius. All right. So why we need to incubate in 30 degrees Celsius? Okay, please refer to the effect temperature on enzymes. Okay, kalau cari dalam material ada kat situ. Okay, dalam buku dan sebagainya, kenapa kita perlukan 30 darjah Celsius. Alright. So, ataupun kita akan continue dalam kuliah nanti. Prepare a series of labeled tubes containing 2.0 ml of DNSA reagents. Okay, so all tube you have to label. T blank, T represent the time. Okay, T0 or time 0, time number 2, time 4, time number 8, time 15, time 30, and time 60. Okay, so why? Kenapa kita letak nilai-nilai ni? Sebab they are what we call interval times between T0 to T2. Okay, maksudnya adalah 0 kepada 2 minit. So macam mana 0 kepada 4, 2 minit ni pergi ke tambah lagi 2 minit, kita dapat T4. So T4 nak pergi T8, tambah lagi 4 minit untuk dapat T8 dan seterusnya. Okay, so after you put 2 ml of DNSA reagent inside each of the tube, you have to keep it on ice. Okay, and then add 1 ml of the reaction mixture into the DNSA tube, label T blank. Okay, ulang. Dalam T blank, you just put only DNSA. Okay, with the mixture. Itu saja, tanpa menggunakan enzyme. Okay. To start the reaction, add 1 ml of beta amylase to the reaction mixture and mix. Means that you have to put 1 ml of beta amylase inside the mix number 1 ataupun dalam boiling tube containing materials such as starch, acetic buffer and distilled water. So macam nak dapatkan T0, quickly pipette 1 ml of reaction mixture into the tube and label as a T0. So kat sini maksudnya awak dah masukkan awak punya beta amylase ke dalam mixture yang awak campurkan 3 bahan tadi. So ambil 1 ml daripada campuran beta amylase dan juga mixture tadi, letak ke dalam T0. Dekat mana? Number 4. This one. So this one adalah satu label tubes. And then mixture and juga beta amylase dalam campur tadi kita biarkan selama 2 minit. Again, ambil 1 ml of reaction and then put inside the T2 pula. So how you get T4? Tunggu lagi 2 minit. Ambil mixture 1 ml dan masukkan ke dalam T4. What about T8? You have to wait until 4 minutes. And so on and so forth. Okay. So sekarang ni awak ada berapa banyak tube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, including your 7 and 8. Okay, blank and 0. Okay, and then put 1 ml of water in each of the DNSA tube or 8 tube tadi. For what? For the mixture to develop the color. What kind of color? From yellow to brown. Okay. And then you have to read it on special equipment or tools. We call it spectrophotometer. So this spectrophotometer you have to calculate ataupun calibrate inside the absorbent number 560 nanometer. Okay, so we use T blend without any enzyme, just mixture and DNSA as a 0 for your spectrophotometer. Okay, so last one, number 9, you have to plot the graph absorbance, which is the y-axis, against time, which is the x-axis, to see the progress of beta amylase starch reduction reactions. Okay. Alright, so continue. So since we're doing ODL, so let's move on with the effect of beta amylase on starches. Okay. So video references saya dah bagikan dalam data ni, dalam guideline ni. So boleh buka YouTube tersebut dan tengok macam mana proses eksperimen tersebut. So untuk video nombor 1, video nombor 2 melihat perubahan color tersebut. Okay. Alright, so is there any question? Is there any question?
Sir,
Right.
yang tadi tu yang absorbance tu dekat y-axis kan?
Absorbent, ya. Selalunya perkataan kalau absorbent versus cm ataupun jarak versus meter. So the first word refer to y-axis. Second word will be refer to x-axis.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next question. Ada tak soalan lain? Okay, ada soalan lain? Okay, is there any question dah? Ada soalan lain tak?
Sir,
Okay.
saya may I ask about the reference?
Okay,
Boleh
reference.
kami boleh search daripada YouTube and so on untuk addkan dalam lab report.
Untuk dari report, so better tak pakai, jangan pakai YouTube, better you pakai journals ataupun story from the books. So jangan pakai YouTube, YouTube tak valid. So kalau untuk references, mostly kita akan pakai journals lah. Okay, journal ataupun apa tu, cited daripada mana-mana lah. Untuk buku dan sebagainya. YouTube tak. Mostly YouTube tak. YouTube lebih kepada video lah. Tapi untuk kita buat dalam report dan sebagainya, it's better to using journal or material from the books.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Next question.
Sir,
Yeah.
I want to know about
Okay.
kalau exam ni kita akan jawab berdasarkan macam soalan exam yang akan keluar. Jadi kita kena tulis report balik ke, or kita jawab berdasarkan report yang sebagi.
Macam mana saya tak faham soalan tu? Soalan apa? Test 1 ke ataupun final test ni? Yang mana tu?
Final test.
Final test. So final test kalau apa tu, it will include whether you're from your lecture chapters ataupun from your lab. So kita akan ambil soalan dari situ. So akan jawab satu je soalan tu. Sama ada awak kena jawab dalam bentuk perkiraan atau tak. Tapi untuk soalan tersebut, makmal akan ada soalan. Boleh? So, kita akan ada soalan daripada makmal juga. Okay. So bentuk soalan saya takkan bagi tahu nanti. Nanti saya akan inform dalam grup lah. Okay, is it objective? Is it true false? Is it short answer or essay? So kita akan tahu nanti. Ongoing nantilah untuk final test. So
Okay,
mostly,
thank you, sir.
alright, so mostly test 1 dengan final test lebih kurang sama je. Okay, alright, any question? So don't forget to answer to answer the question from your future for your attendance today. Okay. So after this, I will be giving you a Google form to answer the question based on today's experiment. Okay, nanti saya akan masukkan dalam WhatsApp, so boleh jawab. Alright, any question?
Nak tanya.
Yeah.
Nak tanya contoh kalau dalam satu exam,
Yeah.
ada berapa lab report? Ada berapa lab report yang kita kena hafal lah, dia punya manual.
So mostly kalau test final, test 1 ataupun final, Okay, you all kena bergantung kepada lab yang kita akan buat lah. So mostly kalau test 1 kita boleh include semua lab dalam soalan test 1 tu sebab kita akan habis within 6 week untuk lab saja. So lab boleh masuk dalam kita punya test 1 ataupun final. Tapi more on soalan praktikal lah. Okay.
Okay, thank you sir.
Alright. Okay, any question left? Before we stop our briefing today, ada soalan lain? Ya.
Sorry, saya nak yang dekat itu
Tak clear kan? Jadi apa ni? Kalau tak boleh cakap, awak boleh type kat chat. Hello?
question tu tak nak
Soalan putus, suara awak putus-putus. Siapa ni? Tekan awak. Kalau tak awak type di chat. Boleh chat. Saya tak dengar, dia putus-putus.
yang itu tak boleh jawab.
Suara putus-putus, saya tak dengar. Okay, tak apa. Nanti kalau boleh tanya, kita tanya dalam WhatsApp. Boleh? Okay, saya tak dengar lah suara awak. Saya tak boleh jawab. Okay. Okay, next question. Kalau tak ada, kita boleh stop sini untuk kita punya briefing. So briefing today is very simple. So untuk further awak punya tengok macam mana lab dibuat, saya tunjuk video sebelum kita start. So video tersebut lah macam mana lab dibuat oleh awak punya senior, right? Lab number 1 yang ni, this one. Okay, this one ni. Video nombor 1 ni menunjukkan bahawa macam mana kita buat lab tersebut. Video kedua adalah untuk melihat perubahan warna tersebut. So awak boleh buka ni dan tengok nantilah. Is there any question left? Kalau tak ada, kita boleh stop sini.
No, sir.
No.
Okay, alright. Thank you
No,
very
sir.
much. So saya akan masukkan video ni dalam kita punya YouFuture ataupun Google Classroom. Saya akan inform nanti. Okay, thank you very much. So don't forget to post your comment for attendance in YouFuture, and then I will give you the question today. You have to answer within this hour. Okay. So tolong hantar sebelum pukul 4. Saya akan bagi soalan tu through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you. Okay.